My child, I know you're tired. Tired of waiting, tired of hoping, tired of trying to stay strong. You wake up and the weight is still there. The questions, the fears, the silence. But hear me now. I have not abandoned you. I have not stopped loving you. I have not forgotten your prayers. Every tear, every whispered prayer, I've seen them all. I hold them close, closer than you know. I know the nights are long. I know you wonder if I'm still here. Sometimes I'm silent, not because I'm gone, but because I'm working. Behind what you see, I'm aligning everything. I'm opening doors no one can shut. I'm removing what you don't even know is hurting you. Do you trust me, even in the dark? Will you hold on, even when it's hard? Because I am right beside you. Through every valley, every storm, every why, every tear, I am there. When you feel weak, I am your strength. When you feel lost, I am your guide. I am turning your pain into purpose, your struggles into testimony. So rest in me, breathe in my peace, let go of your worries. I love you more than you can understand. I am with you always, and I will never leave you. This is your moment. Your breakthrough is coming. Hold on. Keep the faith. I am Jesus, your Savior, your friend, your Father.